What's up, everybody? I'm Jane Sawyer, and this is Jane Sawyer Makes a Mini Witch's Broom. Near the town where I live, there's a small mom and pop fried chicken place, and the lady who owns the store had a really large crystal collection she needed to downsize, so she started selling crystals out of her shop. So we stopped by there and I grabbed this citrine crystal and this tumbled sodalite. I knew I wanted to make something with crystals from this lady's shop. I've seen lots of people use crystals in like wizard wands and stuff, but I'm not really a wand lady. I do, however, like witchy things, and I thought a mini witch's broom could be really cute. My broom handle is a nice dry stick I found outside. I trimmed it to size, took the bark off, and then gave it a bit of a stain with some watered down white acrylic paint. The bristles of my broom are long dried grasses I found along a fence in a local park. I made a small bundle with an elastic and hot glued them to the blunt end of my broom. I added some more bristles around that central bundle and then tied it all together with a wrapping of waxed cotton cord. I used a couple drops of CA glue to secure my tumbled stone in place. After applying the glue, I held it in place for a sec and then clamped it with some masking tape while it cured. After the glue is set, I removed the tape and you can see it's made a pretty sturdy bond. I want to make a small decorative sprig for the front of my broom, so I just cut a little oval of felt to use as the base for that. These are little boxwoods that didn't survive the winter in my garden. I laid out 5 little leaflets with 3 at the top and then 2 sort of offset on the bottom as the foundation for my sprig. I stuck on a clump of dried moss in the middle, and then I added 5 mushrooms that I made off camera. You'll notice I used a group of 3 near the top and a group of 2 near the bottom again, just like I did with my boxwood leaves. I find this helps keep things visually balanced, and I use this trick all the time in my artwork. Some extra little bits of moss covered any glue blobs and added a lot of different colors and texture. Then it was just a matter of hot gluing that felt backing onto my broom. I added a little bit of this natural fiber trim I had in my stash and then tied on a little potion bottle I made off camera. I made a little hanger because I want to make a little collection to display on my wall. I just used a little loop of floral wire and hid that in all the tying at the top of the broom handle. Off camera, I made another version of this broom in a different color scheme using the exact same techniques, and you'll see that at the end of this video. And that's a wrap on the mini witches brooms. I hope you give it a go. Give me a like if you think this is a cute project, and make sure you're subscribed to see what I get up to next. You can find me online on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, and there's always more resources at janesawyermakes.com. On to the beauty shop.